We just got this fish. This is an absolute dink on a white 1/8 ounce jig and a minnow. So here's a video of us fishing on the Wisconsin River. I was working like a depth range from like 14 to 22, 24 feet and drifting. And I was fishing with 1/8 ounce jigs tipped with a minnow. I tried jigging plastics and only caught one walleye on a plastic, so it wasn't working very well for me. So then I just switched both my rods to a 1/8 ounce jig and a minnow, and I was catching fish on both of them. And Michael was fishing with a floating jig head on with the 1/8 ounce split shot attached to another rod with just a split shot attached to a hook, and he was drifting with them and catching walleyes on them tipped with a minnow too. And I caught a quillback and a crappie and a white bass. And today I'm at work and I'm trying to use this characterization data from the NRCS, which does soil data for the, has these different patterns that I've collected a bunch of soil profiles from, and it's really frustrating me, and I'm trying to predict their data with my data, and the air is really bad in it, but that's how it goes. And I've been really busy with work, and I'm trying to finish up my PhD in the spring, so that's why I've gotten kind of behind on watching videos. And I actually have like 4 other fishing videos to edit because I went fishing 5 days in a row. So enjoy. 13th, and we're out in the boat in lovely Wisconsin.
Missing fish.
Missing fish. Feeding a lot of the fish minnows. We got a quillback, and we've gotten like 15 walleyes and 0 keepers. At least we're catching.
Here, take this. We got a nice one on this one.
Fish.
Oh, nice.
Michael's got a nice and that's definitely.
What is it?
It's a walleye.
Oh, that's a nice one. There you go. About time. We're on the backside of it too. That's healthy. I can tell that's healthy. Here you go. Get to that. That's a netter, dude. Come on. Don't tell me. I know that's a netter. I can tell.
Don't be like yesterday and try flipping a 16-inch sauger up in the boat. Oh yeah, it's a sauger too.
Oh, nice. About time we get some lunch.
I think that one might keep.
Oh!
Wasn't hooked very good. Measure it.
Oh, we needed some dinner. Got her. About time. Jesus Christ. It's an hour and a half out here before we got a keeper.
Let's double check.
Go ahead. Come on. Be a keeper.
That's good. There's the keep.
Get us back in this. Oh yeah.
Oh, you got a dink.
Mister.
I'll get it out for you. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got a dink. I'll get it out for you. Yeah. Stink.
Oh, that was a nice one.
Yeah, just send her forward.
Oh, fish on.
Dink her on.
Fish on.
Yay!
Yeah.
We got to run to the litter. And we got a tangle. Oh, yeah, it is a sauger. 14 and a half. Yeah, that's not a keeper.
Damn it. What we're looking for though. Fish on.
It's a dinker.
Dinker.
Dinker. Another fucking 14-inch walleye. Yeah.
I don't get it. Sauger and walleye hang out in different spots or what?
I don't know.
I don't understand that.
It's within a half-inch of being legal.
Well, 4 feet and 3/4.
This is not very big. Dinker. Yeah.
No, just this one.
Oh, we got a keeper. We got a keeper, Michael.
Oh, it should have come out by now.
Look at this. Look at this keeper we got.
Crappie? Really?
Yeah, that's a big crappie.
Get some of them.
Too.
Get some of them, man. Nice.
Fishing.
Then why are they so small? These fuckers are small, dude. Enough of this shit. Oh, ass fucking bitches.
And catching small ass fish.
Yeah, we need some bigger fucking.
Dinker. How's your PBR, Michael?
Blue ribbon, and we're gonna take selfies again. Oh, drag. Oh. Nice.
Nice walleye, Michael.
Get down, motherfucker. Bite. Good on that fucker. Fish on. Fish on. Oh.
That fish is so big it fell over.
Shit. We got fish both.
Holy crap, this is a tiny sauger. You got a tiny sauger too. Look at these two jumbos. Mine's a sauger, yours is a walleye.
Almost fell out of the boat on that one. I got my bait though, you know. Netter.
I don't think it's a netter.
Dude, that's a netter, man.
Oh, it's not. Another little sauger.
They're all netters, man. What are you talking about? Need to find another lighter. This one's dead. Got one somewhere here. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Found it. Buried.
I'm just running the boat, trying to get us up shallower. We're right on the drop.
I didn't have a bite that round. That was weird.
I had 2 bites that round.
That's the first time I even had a bite the whole round.
Hey, could he pass? You're getting a bite now.
I got a fish on, dude. I gotta catch this fish first. Look at this. Oh, look at this.
That's a nice one.
It is.
That is a good one.
Fuck. I gotta set my drag on that. He's pulling up now. Oh, there he is. Under the boat.
It's a fucking 16-inch walleye. We'll get it in our net, which is a strong arm lake and river net. Nice walleye.
I need a photo of this. Get a photo of my phone.
Where's your phone?
Just had it.
Is there even any bait in there? We may run out of bait. We only got like 8 minnows left.
Really?
Yeah. How deep were we here? 22. Oh, we're still off the edge.
We gotta get back in the zone. There you go, fish on! Fish on, motherfucker!
Dink on!
It's a crappie!
It's a
Monster
dink!
Crappie!
It's a dink! It took my minnow. No, it didn't take my minnow. Another dink.
Alright, we'll just back up.
Feeding the dinks.
Another drift and then we'll head out.
I guess it's good we bought more bait.
Yeah, it's the heavy stock that we're about ready to go down. I think he's froze. I think he's froze. Yeah.
This is a fucking 14.
Fish on! Yeah!
Fuck, it's not even that big. It hit like it was bigger. Another walleye.
Every roll. We've had bites every time, man. We haven't had closing yet. Non-stop. I got a fish on, huh? I didn't have a bite, I had a fish on.
Fish on!
Oh, really? Really, dude? Hope yours is bigger than mine.
I lost it.
I need another minnow.
Go on. What?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it will work you around.
Damn it. I thought I had the big one on, dude. Sweet, dude.
The big heartbreak on the big one.